Welcome. In this example, we're going to create a hotspot activity. We place our cursor where we would like the activity to be located, choose Insert from the menu bar, select Activity, and then choose Hotspot. The hotspot activity is a graphic-based activity, so we start by choosing an image. The image can come from a file, can come from our library, or can also be an equation. I'll choose File and then navigate to where my graphics might be stored that I want to use. Notice the type of graphics that we can use are GIF files, JPEG files, PNG files, and also bitmapped image files. So we navigate to where the graphics might be stored, then select the graphic that we want to use and select it. It then displays the image that we're going to use. Now we have the ability to enter hotspot areas. I'm going to select a particular area. I'll just fill it in. I'm using my crayon, holding down on the mouse button and then just dragging to indicate the area that I want to select. Notice I'm just dragging to color that particular image. I then click on the hotspot text box and I can type in, I've typed in the phrase I want my students to recognize. I then click on Next and you'll notice the color has changed. If we have a large area that we are trying to define as our hotspot area, what we can do is just outline that area. And I'm outlining that particular state. Click on the paint bucket and then click inside of the outline area to fill it in. Once again, we would type in our hotspot text. Once we've entered our text, we click Next. We can create up to 16 hotspots on any image. I'll just use those two. We also can make this hotspot activity a quiz simply by clicking on the quiz button. We can show a hint by clicking on the hint button also. Once we have entered all of our hotspots, we then go to the Options tab where we can enter instructions for the students, we can enter a description of the activity for assisted technology, and we can determine whether we want this particular activity to be linked or to be part of our lesson. Do we want sounds or not? Do we want to show a restart button if it is a quiz? And if it is a quiz, then how many points should it be worth? And that can go from 0 to 100 points. We then click OK, and we have created the hotspot activity. Let's see what it looks like. We preview it.